As a young surveyor, let me update you about this. There are scams that are going around land. The only document that is legally recognized to show the position of a land is a title deed. This is the way they are doing. You will meet somebody is selling a big parcel of land. Maybe they are selling it at 50 million. So what they will do, broker A will come to him, tell him that this your land, I don't have the whole 50 million. But if you give me if I gave you a deposit of 10 million, then you allow me to pay the next 40 million. Within the next 3 years, I'll have completed the payment. So the owner of land picks the deals, pick the 10 million, gives the guy go ahead. This guy makes another request. He requests that he be allowed to incur the cost of partitioning the land to different parcels so that he starts selling them. Those are the guys now who are coming to sell to you lands and telling you once maybe a piece of a parcel is costing 500,000, leave a deposit of 50 or 100,000, then be making installments so that you may get your parcel of land. So the broker A is a conman and is a scammer. This is what they do. In the land clause, it says this in the land law. Once in the process of buying a land, somebody should tell you the duration. So this is not like a loan. Once I pick a loan from the bank, I'm told the monthly installment that I'll be making. And failure to default one monthly installment, the bank will classify me as a defaulter. And I'm in for any consequence. But when it comes land, it becomes different. So in land, you are told that the deal that is normally strike is that your initial cost was 50 million. You've told me to leave a deposit of 10 million, and in the next, before the end of the next three years, I have made the whole payment of the 5 million. So in case you default, the 10 million that the person had given to the legit owner of the land, they will be refunded 60% of it. So the broker does this. He knows that in this total land that was costing 50 million, I've only staked 10 million. In case by the end of the duration that I'm supposed to pay to have paid the whole land, in case I default, I will have my 60% of the 10 million, that is 6 million back. So they go ahead and divide this land into portions and start giving people. So they normally scam people on the both sides. You get a very good deal, land deal. You're told that each parcel is 500,000, just deposit 50,000. You will end up, maybe you're told it for you to acquire, deposit 50,000. By the end of 2-3 years, you'll have made installments that are worth let's say 450,000. Once you near and finishing the agreed amount, this broker will come with other terms. He'll come with other monkey stories. He'll come up with other stories. He'll tell you, for us now to process the title deed, we need to add 200 more thousand. And the logic is this: because this person I was selling to him the land at 500,000, they did a deposit of 50,000, then the installments they paid installments of 400,000. This person, out of the 500,000, they've already paid me 450. So this person is desperate. They don't want to lose the cash. They still have a hope of acquiring the title deed. And initially, the whole title deed, the whole block was costing 50 million. I've only offered them owner 10 million. So this is the way they'll do. They'll end up, for them to be able to cover the remaining 40, it is you guys. You are the one. You will pay with your nose. Because the only way before you acquire a parcel of land, ensure you get a land surveyor, ensure you come in my DM. I will be able to conduct a legit search. And this search, in case you get a search which is stamped by the registrar of lands, and that land gets issues, the ownership has issues, you will sue the Ministry of Lands. You will sue them to compensate back your cash. So this is my advice. Sometimes these deals, buying land, you will meet the land that was initially costing 500,000. You made a deposit of 50,000, installment of 100,000. You will have to pay 300 or 200 extra cash. And this cash will be the broker is soliciting funds in a fraudulent manner. And you, out of your desperation hood, you don't want to lose your cash. You will end up it will end up being messy. So my name is Edward Karongo. Subscribe to Lifestyle Tutorials. Find more content in Lifestyle Tutorials. I am open to positive criticism. Ensure you comment in the comment section. I'll be open to respond.